Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Swatch Irony Chronograph watch. This is going to work for, I believe, 99% of Swatch Irony watches out there that feature the battery 394. So it is going to be the 394 or the AG9. So I'm going to also leave a link in the description box below to the battery and also to the watch tools that I use. The same battery type is going to be found in the Moon swatches as well. So either the Snoopy or the regular one. All of these are going to also use the 394 watch battery. You can also go with the 394 watch battery by Renata because it is going to be a little bit higher when it comes to quality. And also, if you want to start working on your watches, I would definitely recommend to go and buy yourself a basic watchmaker toolkit because you can actually open your watches, resize the straps. You can do a lot of basic stuff. For this tutorial, you are going to need either a flat screwdriver or what I like to use is a coin. So I'm going to use this part of the coin in order to rotate to the left, in this case in order to unscrew the back, and then it is going to be very easy in order to remove it. And then we are going to arrive right here. You can also see that we have here a few arrows that indicate the direction in which you need to unscrew the back in order to open it up. Now you can use the tip of a screwdriver in order to remove the old watch battery, but if you have the option, you can go for a carbon or plastic pair of tweezers that is not going to conduct electricity. Here you can see on the back of the battery where we have the plus, we have V394. So in case you are unsure what type of battery your Swatch watch uses or your watch, you can easily read the battery type on the back of the watch, and you can go online and purchase the exact battery type. Now we are going to take the new watch battery and we are going to place it inside the watch. I'm going to use the same one because it still has a lot of energy. And then what you want to do is to easily press it down, just like that. You can also use the pair of tweezers. Now I'm going to take the back lid and place it once again accordingly. As you can see, you need to match these three pins with the three holes. Then I'm going to take the coin, I'm going to place it right here, press down a little and then rotate to the right, so this time in a clockwise direction, and that is going to screw down the back. Here on the back you can actually read Swatch Irony Aluminium, so this is going to be the aluminium version, but there is also a stainless steel version as well. Now we are going to flip the watch around and we are going to see if the watch is ticking. As you can see, when it comes to chronograph versions, the seconds hand is going to be positioned at 6 o'clock, so this subdial at 6 o'clock. You can see here as well, this is going to be our seconds hand, so that is a good sign. In case your chronograph watch hands aren't calibrated, I have a full guide on how to calibrate the watch hands of the chronograph, link in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to replace the watch battery on your Swatch Irony chronograph. Basically, all Swatch chronograph watches are going to use the 394 or the AG9 watch battery, link in the description box below. And this is a very cool and simple hack that you can use in order to easily open up your watch. So you can use a coin that perfectly fits inside this groove right here of the back of the lid. In case you do not have a matching coin, you can use a flat screwdriver in order to unscrew the back of the watch. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Leave a comment, it really helps the channel grow. And in case you like vintage watches, make sure to also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including around 1000 vintage Swatch watches. Make sure to check it out, guys. I'm going to see you on the next video.